Hello, hello, it's Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters. Today it's a beautiful morning. Got my coffee in my favorite coffee mug. And we're going to be testing out this 1941 Royal Quiet Deluxe. It's in a brown, a chocolate brown crinkle finish. Fantastic. I've actually never seen this color before. It's really pretty. Look at the chrome. It's a black and chrome striping going across the front. And the keys are, the glass keys are black with a brownish lettering in it. Very, very pretty. For those of you new to Jot and Tittle Typewriters, you can visit us at our website at jotandtittletypewriters.com. And yes, we clean up and service and repair vintage typewriters like this 1941 Royal. We also sell typewriter pads like this non-slip pad I have down here. We sell ribbons like this, and we sell typewriter covers. We also sell typewriter art coming the week of March 7th, 2021. And we do these videos. So if you would give us a like, a thumbs up, that sure would help us and it would increase our reach, and we would really appreciate you shopping our website and giving us a thumbs up in order to support us on our channel. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So this is all manual, and so I've got right here is your margins. So like I said, you just flip that back, and very easy to drag your margins there. And actually this looks like it has a magic margin on the right side anyway. So basically what you would do is put your carriage, which in order to move your carriage, there's a metal lever right here on each side, and you just go back and forth. You can hear the bell, and the carriage will only move as far as you have the margins set. So to move this margin, just press this forward and then release it where you want it, and now you have it set there. And again, you can put it here, put that forward, and now it's set there. So that's how that works. Okay, so for this does have a tab key, and the tabs are on the back, and I'll flip that up. Right here is it's a metal bar, and you just press and drag your tab settings. All right, okay, set that down, and let's go over here. When you hit your return handle, it's going to advance 1 or 2 lines, and the setting is actually, it's this one. Okay, 1 or 2 lines. There's 1, there's 2. This little guy, if you push this forward, releases your roller, so that, let's say you're filling out a form and you have to line it up just right, then that's when this would come in handy. But just make sure you re-engage it, because if you don't, it's not going to advance properly. I'm going to move that carriage over to the left so that I can open the top without it hitting the handle. Let's pop open the top. And inside you're going to see our universal ribbon, and you just literally pull it out and drop it in, and then make sure it's threaded through these guide wires properly. I do have an up-close image on the product listing, which is on our website. You'll see the link in the description below. When you do change it out, make sure black is on top, red is on bottom. Now when you get to the end of the spool, it's not the end of your ribbon. You need to reverse the direction of the ribbon manually, and you do that right here. Okay, so you just go back and forth, and it doesn't take much to adjust it. This does not auto reverse because the ribbons do not come with grommets on them. And we do put new ribbons in all of our typewriters. And then also we have different types of ribbons on our website at jotandtittletypewriters.com. Touch control just determines how hard you want these type bars to strike your paper. And then this is your color selector. Let me lift that up so you can see it again. So touch control here, color selector, ribbon reversal, okay? All right, let's go ahead and do our typing demo. Okay, so let's put the paper, you just set it right here, turn that handle, oh, that grabs it real nice. pull it around and make sure it goes underneath this bar. And I like to make sure it's even. It is, but if it wasn't, then right here is your paper release, and you pull that forward, and then it removes the tension so you can move that paper around. And then again, make sure that is also re-engaged. Let's go ahead and let me double check my margins. I want to bring it in just a little bit, so that one there, and then let's bring it to right about here. Okay, let's do our typing. So there's no number 1. You use the lowercase l instead. It's 1941 Royal Quiet Deluxe. Now I've got a stand right in front of my arm, so I can't type very well, but I'm just telling you, these keys are so springy that you just need a light touch on this, which makes it good for those of us who have smaller hands or younger typers. But this is gonna be a really good, let me see, I gotta move it out because I'm not gonna be able to type. Let's see if I can do that now. This is gonna be really an easy typer. So let's go ahead and type. Oh, whoops. Let's go to the next line. How's that? Tab and do my shift lock. I'm actually kind of hitting the keys too hard. I'm used to typewriters that require more oomph when typing. But this one is, I like it. This one is very responsive, so it doesn't need a whole lot of effort to press down on the keys. Excellent. I like that. Oh, okay. So I didn't hear the bell, but the bell should have gone off, but it didn't. And so the typewriter stopped on me. So what I need to do is right here, it says MAR, margin release, REL. Just hit that, finish my word, and then go to the next line. There's the bell. Maybe I just didn't pay any attention. Margin release. Okay, so also, as someone who does a lot of writing, let me just tell you that if you are writing multiple pages, like yesterday, I probably typed 20 single-spaced, narrow margin pages, and my pinky's a little sore today. But this one, that shift lock, it's from the shift lock, because we're not used to having to put that much effort to shift down. So this shift lock is very easy on the pinky. Okay, let's try the red black ribbon. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is wonderful. This gets an A+ from me. Amazing typewriter. Because I'm in the middle of writing a book, I'm gonna tell you that this one would be one that would be like way at the top of my list for writing a long book, long projects. One, very little effort for pressing down the keys, very little effort on the pinky. The keystroke, it just was very springy and smooth, so you could easily get into a flow. So this one is ideal for any situation, but especially longer writing projects. And it's very handsome. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please check out the links in the description below. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share our videos with other typewriter enthusiasts that you know, and you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.